pia tunafurahia kwa sababu tumekuwa beneficiary wa kwanza kwamba tumepata free to air na tumepata dish ya free kutoka kwa China na serikali. So we are very happy for that.
They have been telling me the successes they have met, and by having the World Cup, they were able to watch the World Cup football, and also the news from all over the world. They were able to access about 85 channels, the local ones and the international ones. And with them, it has been a benefit for the 20 households that have been connected. The community is being empowered in conjunction in the government of Kenya, that is the ICT ministry, in conjunction with the China Aid. They have been able to empower the community to get the news and all the information from all over the world.